Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the delivery date on your Amazon order. First, open the Amazon app or website. Hover over Account and List and click your orders. Next, find the order you want to change and click Change. Next to the delivery details. If your item hasn't shipped yet, you can choose a new delivery date or select a different Amazon Day delivery option if available. However, if the order has already shipped, you may need to contact the shipping carrier directly to reschedule the delivery. If you don't see the option to change the date, just reach out to Amazon customer service. They can help you find the best delivery option. And that's it. You now know how to change your delivery date on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.